In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the title element in Elementor. If you've been working on designing a clean, professional-looking web page and you find that the default title is cluttering your design, then you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step so you can swiftly and effortlessly hide that title and achieve the look you're aiming for. To begin, let's open your page in Elementor. Once you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the page where you want to make the change. You'll see an option that says Edit with Elementor. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the Elementor interface, which is packed with design tools that help customize your page effectively. If you're unfamiliar with this interface, don't worry. It's quite user-friendly and designed to be intuitive. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your Elementor panel. Here, you'll spot the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This is where you'll find a variety of settings that can be adjusted to fit your choice. Clicking that gear icon will bring up a settings panel on the left. Don't let the array of options deter you. It's all about enhancing your design one step at a time. Amidst these options, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Hide Title. By default, this is set to No, meaning that Elementor will display the title as it usually does. Switch this to Yes. This action hides the title on the page, effectively creating more space for your other content to shine. It's a small tweak that can have a significant impact, especially if you're aiming for a minimalistic look. Finally, it's important to save these changes to ensure they're reflected on the live site. So, after toggling Hide Title to Yes, you'll notice an Update or Publish button at the bottom of the panel. Click this button to save your changes. Once you do this, the magic happens. The title disappears from view. Although small, this step is crucial and will help to maintain the aesthetic of your page. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden the title in Elementor with just a few clicks. Remember, the ability to tweak and customize your web page's elements. This is one of the many reasons Elementor is such a popular tool among web designers. Continue exploring all the settings and options it offers to increase your page's functionality and design appeal. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.